Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, March the 4th, 2020, we have not only one Sudoku, not two Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but three Sudokus, a killer Sudoku here. So we start with the binary Sudoku, then the medium Sudoku, and later on the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So let's get started with this binary Sudoku. Alright, a double O, here one, there one, a double O, here one, there one, a double one, here and O, there and O, a double one, here and O, there and O, a double O, here and one, there one, a double O, here one, there one, a double one, here and O, there and O, a double one, here and O, there and O, a double O, here and one, there one, a double one, here and O, there and O, a double one, here and O, there and O, a double O, here and one, there and one. I think all the doubles are used. No, here one. Double O, here one, there one. Now all the doubles are used. No, here one. Double O, here one, there one. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, then double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an one. Yes. Alright. In this row, we have four ones. If I put the fifth and the final one here, then we have four O's in a row. Not allowed. So here cannot be a 1, here should be an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here an O, there an O. If I put in this row the final and the last one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So here cannot be a 1, here should be an O. Double O, here one, there one, and the final 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. This is the fifth and the final O in a row. There can only be 5 ones and 5 O's, so there cannot be a 6th O or a 6th 1. Anyway, double O, here and one, there one, double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Alright, then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the final O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. Should be an 1, double one, here and O, there and O, double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. This is number 5. And the last one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this row. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. So here cannot be an O, here cannot be an O. This should be 2 ones, 1 and 1 there. One of these 2 boxes must be an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. So the O cannot be here, the last O cannot be here, cannot be there. So these must be all A1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, one of these 2 must be an O. Alright, double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. So this cannot be an 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this must be the O, the last O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So this is, the rest are a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this column. So this is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. So finish in 7 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download this PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Thank you again and bye bye.